Guess the country by its national animal all over the world. Let's go. Lion is the national animal of A. USA, B. UK, C. Africa. The right answer is the option B. UK. Lion is the national animal of UK. Tiger is the national animal of A. India, B. Brazil, C. Bhutan. The right answer is option A. Tiger is the national animal of India. Beaver is the national animal of A. Finland, B. Germany, C. Canada. The right answer is option C. Beaver is the national animal of Canada. Kangaroo is the national animal of A. Indonesia, B. Australia, C. France. The right answer is option B. Kangaroo is the national animal of Australia. Bull is the national animal of A. Spain, B. Portugal, D. Denmark. The right answer is option A. Bull is the national animal of Spain. Beaver is the national animal of A. Philippines, B. Hungary, C. Russia. The right answer is option C. Bear is the national animal of Russia. Elk is the national animal of A. South Africa, B. Sweden, C. Germany. The right answer is option B. Elk is the national animal of Sweden. Elephant is the national animal of A. Thailand, B. Vietnam, C. Africa. The right answer is option A. Elephant is the national animal of Thailand. Gary falcon is the national animal of A. Armenia, B. Jordan, C. Iceland. The right answer is option C. Gary falcon is the national animal of Iceland. Leopard is the national animal of A. Panama, B. Somalia, C. Thailand. The right answer is option B. Leopard is the national animal of Somalia. Last question. Komodo dragon is the national animal of A. Indonesia, B. Singapore, C. Uganda. The right answer is option A. Komodo dragon is the national animal of Indonesia. Goodbye.